What is good, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Cydia on your device without needing to jailbreak. This is the full functioning version of Cydia. And yeah, so to start off, you're going to go on a site called jailbreak.me.online. And so basically, you can't jailbreak your device without using a computer. So if you want to just use your mobile device, you can get the full version of Cydia, but you cannot get the all the jailbreak files. So what you're going to do is scroll down and select what device you're using and iOS version, and then hit verify compatibility. So the way this works is that they inject Cydia in an app from the App Store, because that is the only way to install Cydia on your device without Apple knowing. So once you're done, you're going to hit jailbreak. But remember, this does not actually jailbreak your device. It simply installs Cydia through the App Store. So you're going to wait till it gets the files ready, and you're going to proceed. And once you're at this page, you're going to pick one of the apps to download. It doesn't really matter which one you pick. I'm going to take BetterNet VPN Proxy for this example, and it'll take you to the App Store, and you're just going to go ahead and download. And once the download is finished, you're going to open, and depending on what app you downloaded, it may prompt you to start a free trial, but you're just going to go ahead and cancel and not accept that. So yeah, you don't have to spend any money or do anything really. You just use the app for at least 30 seconds. This is so that you allow enough time for Cydia to successfully unpack and install on your device. And once it's been about 30 seconds, I would say safe, you can back out and scroll to the very right page of your device, and you're going to find Cydia installed on your device. So that is it, guys. Comment down below if you need help, and I'll do whatever I can to help you out. Peace.